Why binary options have such a controversial reputation, how binary options work from the inside, and what are the pros and cons of trading binary options. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about this trading form. I want my viewers to know everything about this topic and have formed their own independent opinion. So, why some people don't trust binary options? You see, about 7 years ago, such a tool as binary options dramatically started to get wildly popular. Everybody wanted to learn how to trade on the internet back then, and everybody wanted it to be easy. So the demand for the binary options was growing, and it was not regulated in any way by law. As you already understand, this is the perfect ground for scammers. Since 2012, the unlicensed scam platforms have appeared almost every month, offering to multiply your deposit 3-4 times just for trading with them, and also offering enormous payout percentages. Most binary option sites at the time completely discredited the concept of trading, because they simply didn't withdraw traders' money. Accordingly, some countries started to forbid binary options at the time because it is much easier to ban something than to regulate it. Also, it should be understood that the most of people who have tried to earn on binary options are financially illiterate. They bet at random, and after they lose, they write unmasking comments. And if you add to this gambling addicted people and scam platforms, then the numbers of negative reviews on the internet goes to the moon. Now the situation with binary option sites has changed a lot. There are much fewer scam sites, and they are large platforms that have been earning their reputation for years, and most of people trade on them now. But still, you can see scam projects. But before you choose an appropriate platform, you should do the following. Read the user agreement. If it says something like the organization has no responsibility to the client and accepts all the transfers as a donation to the kitchen industry, then most likely it's a scam. There may also be something like the company is not responsible for customer account and balance. I'm just trying to say that you should study the agreement because you automatically agree to it when you sign up. The deposit should be easily withdrawn through the same payment system as entered, and the amount available for the withdrawal does not have to be large. How binary options work? Let's say the average profit on the euro-dollar asset is 85%. This is Zach, and he believes that the price of the asset will go down, and he invests in his forecast, let's say $100. And this is Dylan. He thinks that the price will go up and invest in his forecast, let's say $100. The price of the asset went up. Dylan was right. So platform pays $85 to Dylan from Zach's money. The remaining $15 of Zach's investment is taken by the broker and market maker. However, thousands of traders trade on the platform at any given time. A group of traders, together with Dylan, believes that the price will go up. Let's call them bulls. So bulls invests $10,000 in the growth of the asset. At the same time, Zach's group of traders invests $8,000 in the fall of the same asset. We will call them bears. As you can see, a skewed investment of $2,000 is formed. In this case, market maker enters the trade. Market makers are organizations with their own capital, which undertakes the risks arising from skewed investments. Market maker receives the profit in the following market situation. If the forecast of bears comes true and the price of an asset goes down, the resulting misalignment of $2,000 is distributed between the platform and the market maker as a commission for the risks taken. The market maker's risk is triggered in an opposite market situation. If the bulls win and the price of the asset will go up, the bears will not have enough funds to provide the bulls with all their profit, and the market maker compensates the skew from his funds. Platforms usually cooperate with several market makers. How to trade binary options. In this video, I will not give you any strategy for trading, but I will tell you the main principle. Analyze and try to develop your own strategy. and always try it in a demo account first. It's ridiculous to think that you will immediately start trading successfully after watching a 3-minute video in YouTube with a strategy or something. And you shouldn't think that you can cheat the platform using binary option arbitrage. When you get quotes faster than your brokers get them, and you open your trades knowing the results. Unfortunately, binary option sites are not dumb, and they also open your trades with a small delay. Your job here is not to find a mega cool strategy and make 20 successful trades in 1 hour, but to maintain a position when you're slowly winning. Money will gradually flow to you from most of people who failed to guess the rate because they pressed the button at random and got the appropriate result. You have to become a cold-blooded trader who also presses those 2 buttons but does it after a fundamental analysis. If you win, you are not given 100% but 80%. So if you trade with an accuracy of 50%, you will be slowly losing your deposit. This is called a negative mathematical expectation. So to earn in the long run on binary options, you need to trade higher than the negative mathematical expectation. And that's what technical analysis, trading strategies, and martingale are for. And also my Telegram and YouTube channels. There are pros and cons to any trading tool, be it stocks, cryptocurrency, forex, or anything else. The great advantage of binary options is their simplicity. You don't need to put take profits or stop losses. You have fixed profit and loss percentages and fixed expiry time, so you can fully focus on your analysis. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and leave your opinion about this topic in the comment section down below. And see you guys very soon. Later.